Fergie half track, very unusual. It's a very unusual tractor.
This pulled 2 aeroplane engines off a hill away above Glasgow.
Did it?
They had them in old car bonnets as for sledges and
That's like, I've never seen one of these tractors in my life, so
alright, aye, sorry, aye.
like I've seen maybe them because I've been to the vintage show a few times with my papa, but I've never seen a half track Fergie, so well, to that matter, I've never seen any other tractor with a half track, so well, the older tractors have half tracks, so it's kind of nice to see them.
Oh yes. So what's that cam? Is that your dad, is it?
No, it's
friend.
It's a friend, yeah, that I met through YouTube, where you can make videos.
Aye. So what's he operating then? That's a camera, just a camera, is it?
Yeah. So how powerful would this be?
Oh, well, it'd be powerful on its day.
Yeah.
It'll be 35 horsepower maybe. It's just a standard tractor, these are extras.
Yeah, it's a standard tractor but they've added the wheels in the middle.
Aye, they add these tracks on.
Yeah.
2 of these Fergies went to the South Pole years and years ago.
Did they? I think someone told me they painted them red so you could see them.
Oh, well, I don't know about that.
I think somebody said that they painted them red so they could see them. I don't know, it's just what someone, I think someone told me so. It's a nice tractor though. Hmm? It's a nice tractor.
Oh yes, well done.
It is.
Oh, it was good state, it's good painted.
Here's an old Massey Ferguson 130. In very nice condition here. Grey Fergie.
Two 6-volt batteries, £123 a piece.
Right.
Plus VAT.
Plus VAT, of course.
Plus VAT.
So it starts at the...
Starts in the button. You press the button.
And there's a button, is there?
There's a button on the far side, and you put, there's a start, see the base.
So you put that in with your leg.
Your heel. Push it forward.
Start it. Oh, brilliant. Oh, it's absolutely wonderful.
This man here next to George Ritchie has done it all up. It's a tractor now. There's the Yeoman of England. I've never seen one of these tractors before. It's a Turner diesel. I've seen one of these tractors before. Here's a David Brown. Crop master with a grass cutter, I think, a mower. It's a very old mower. Here's an Alice Chalmers KWF 689 is the number plate with a an orange Fleming box on it. It's an Alice Chalmers. Here's a David Brown 880. Packed mick with a 2-furrow plough. Here's a Fergie with an old Fergie trailer.
That's why. Get it done.
So are these trailers rare now?
Oh, that Ferguson trailer's quite rare now. Tomorrow the sheet will be off it, and there's a few influence in the sheet.
It'll be fully drawn tomorrow.
Farmyard manure.
Sticky stuff.
Fucking shite.
Real black rotted stuff.
Oh, I haven't seen it.
They've actually just been